What's up, everyone? Welcome to the third episode of Block City. In this series, we are playing Minecraft Block City. In this series, we are gonna do some jobs, finding chests, or stock a room like that, like these things. So let's get to start it. Let's check oh yes, in the second episode I bought some iron tools. Where is my wallet? Yep, only 12 emeralds. So I have thought about that, how we just go to job.com. My friend Cork said that to go to job.com. Now where is that freaking job.com? First of all, I have to go and get some tool like that to fight. No, to fight. I think I need tools, but the alchemists are way farther than I thought. So, yo. So I thought, why just we go and buy some tools? Oh yes, the Malaika, the store woman, who is giving a netherite set of armor with only 8 emeralds. I think I'm gonna buy that, but I have only 12 emeralds. And it is the fourth day of Block City. I have to pay the rent. 5 emeralds. I can buy that. I have to kill some. I have to do the jobs. So where are the Elkins? Oh, let's take the shortcut. What's up, Elkins? There is the KFC. I'm not gonna go there today because they are taking too much money from me for just a piece of chicken. Here is it. There. Oh, the stock is here. Oh wow, the sword. What? Oh yeah. In the first episode, Malaika told me that. Ooh, 12 emeralds. Do you think I buy this? It's mine. I'm just buying this sword. How much that sword cost? What? 2 emeralds. 2 emeralds. I can't buy the sword. He just told me I can't buy the sword. So let's give him back this. So can I buy the full set? How much? 4 emeralds. Let's go. Okay. Hey Malaika, I am taking the sword. How much emerald? 4 emerald. Okay, sure. Take this. Bye. I'm taking my wallet with me. It's taking lot of time. Cost 6 emeralds. 6 emeralds for a golden sword. Iron sword is too powerful than the golden sword, but no, it's too costly. I didn't do the bake first. I need some food. I don't think I need the food. Let's go. Can I go to KFC? No, they are selling a piece of chicken with only 30 emeralds. Dude, I suck. Only 5 pieces of chicken with 30 emeralds means $30. Run. I'm running. Oh, there is my house. So this is the path. In the second episode, I was going into the alchemy shop and going there, and not alchemy shop, Malaika shop, and I buy some iron tools. So I'm gonna take that later. But in my wallet there are only 8 emeralds. I need some money. I need some food. I need some. Okay. I don't need anything else. I need to pay for where I'm renting my home. A hotel. Staying at a hotel without renting him. Only 4 days, okay? So let's go in the shop.com. Not taking the sword in your hand. Not taking the sword in your hand. If they think I am a robber, they will call the police and I will be caught. Oh, whoa, a cool polar bear. Hi, polar bear. How are you? He's good. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Job officer. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hello, job officer. How are you? Hey, you give me all the money. I'm just joking. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay, so let's see the jobs. They are the jobs. Okay, emerald, one emerald. I don't want. Encounter polar bear. Wait a second. I just found a job. Where is the freaking polar bear? Hey, you come over here. I will encounter you. Oh, whoa. Why is he running? Run away. Don't run. I'm gonna kill you for money. I need money. Oh, wait a second. What's up, polar bear? Having fun? Ooh, I just killed a polar bear. And in our first day, I just got 5 emeralds. Oh my god, wow. What's up, job officer? I just took a job. Okay? So give me. Oh, that the payment chest? Yep, so 5 emeralds. Oh, I can take the rest of emeralds. But what the hell is going on here? Giving the pay. This is the identity why I killed the polar bear. Okay, and I'm gonna take him with me. Wait a second, is there a job? Oh, take my dog for 3 weeks. How much emerald? 7 emerald. Oh my god, I've been taking you. Come over. Come here. Oh. Bye, Jaffe officer. Let's go to our home. Let's go. Come over here, boy. Okay, where is my house? I don't know. I don't care. Oh yeah, there is the road. Come over here, boy. Come over here. We are going to our home. A sweet little home in my Paris. It is not my Paris. It's another hotel. It's Brooks Hotel. How Brooks? Is dog is allowed in here? Told me. He just told yes. Doggies are allowed. Thanks, boy. I am keeping him over here. It's okay? Okay, take care of him. Ooh, it's our first day of job. Thanks, Croc, for helping me. And I just buy a sword. I told my mom that I spend all the money on keep collecting. Oh, it's my wallet. Let's put this in here. 13 emeralds. Cool. Let's take my sword to break this easily. Anyways, guys, this is the video in Block City Part 3. If you want more episode of Block City, let me know in the comment section. So I think bye. See you later.